have a wobbly lawnmower wheel. I'll show you how to fix it. First, get you a piece of 1/2-inch copper tubing and measure how long just under where it's going to hit. Put a mark. Kind of hard to show you with the lawnmower swinging around in the air, but yeah, the cat's bothering me too. Nothing goes right when you're trying to video. Anyways, you take a side grinder with a cutoff wheel and you cut a groove in it. Then you want to cut it off at the mark that you set. And then you take the side grinder and cut it off to that mark, of course. Then flex your groove to where it closes and stick it in your worn out wheel. You may have to flex it to get it round. And then tap it in with a hammer. Then I take a small extension, put it in there to round it out. And then just tap that extension with a hammer to round it out. You now have a sleeve, copper sleeve inside your wheel. I'll put the wheel on the spindle. And put your nut on. And you now have a tight wheel. Sorry, this particular lawnmower has other problems that I didn't show. There's a keeper missing for right here, and I ordered it on eBay. Cost me almost $7. Cost $7 for just that little keeper, but that will go up in there like that. The wheel will now be solid. Sorry for the video. It's hard to hold the phone and do anything, but as you can see, the wheel spins freely and now has a copper sleeve, which is a lot tougher than the original plastic. And you just put the nut on and you're all set. Your tires will no longer wobble and go every which way, and they should last longer than the original.